I can see that now the world face quite similar problem, like the climate change, like what you hear today about synthetic biology. And that sort of thing need international cooperation because not any individual country can solve the problem. So I think that first of all, we have some common issues that each country have to solve it all together. It's number one. Number two is that if you can find the area where different country, different region have a complementary expertise, then it is a chance for cooperation. So this is my view. In Vietnam, the Vietnamese government has quite some instrument to support for international cooperation. One of the example is that even the government budget is very tight, we still have a separate budget for international cooperation in S&T. So it is a dedicated budget for international cooperation, number one. Number two is that we have a policy to attract mainly Vietnamese overseas. So the Vietnamese who live in Russia, in the US, they from the university in the US, in the UK as a country, come back to work in Vietnam and cooperate with Vietnamese researchers. So, and the third instrument, I think it's quite interesting, is that Vietnam now set up some kind of science and technology agency within the Vietnamese embassies in some country, including Russia. I think in the APEC region, it is involved many different countries with different level of development. So one of the problems that I see in APEC cooperation is the fact that we are not in the same level. So when a group of countries with different level of development, different conditions, working together, at some point, in some project, you will see that it is unequal. The researcher from more advanced country will have a better resources to involve in the project, while researcher or scientists from less developed country, when they join the project, they don't have the same resources. And that kind of difference sometimes bring difficulty for cooperation. So I think that APEC need to find a way to make sure that once you have a team of researchers from different countries, they have the same, they were treated the same and in the same level, and that is important.